Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create a carousel on Wix Studio. So this one would be a Wix Studio carousel tutorial. So the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser and then go to Wix Studio and then make sure to log into your account. And for this video, I'll be showing you two different methods and how you can create carousel. So here I think I am going to add a carousel on my existing site, but of course you can choose to create a new site. Okay, so you just have to simply click on this create new site at the top right. Then here I am going to use this website. Okay, so let me just find the perfect website. I think this one is good. So the next thing that we are going to do here is to add a new section. So as you can see, I have here a section where I'm going to put the carousel. Okay, so you can add a section by clicking on it and you'll be able to see an add section option. Then the next thing that we should do now that we have a section, just click on the add elements option at the top left. So this one, and then add an image. So you just have to drag and drop it right here. Okay, and then we have to duplicate this image. Okay, and then place it right here beside the first image. And then just do the same to the rest. So I think we are going to duplicate this. I need 5 copies of this image. Okay, so for a while, and the last one. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to add here the images or the logos for our website. So to add or change the image, you just have to simply click on the image one by one. So we have to do it manually step by step. Just click on it and click on change image. So you can upload here a media or an image from your computer, but for this video I'll be using media from Wix. Okay, so you just have to use the search bar at the top and then type out your keyword. For example, house. So for the first image, I'll be using this one. Then for the second image, okay, so let me just perfect image for the next image. So just click on update, and for the third one, is this image. Okay, and click on update. For the fourth one, so when adding your logos or images, you have to make sure that those images is related to your website, of course. Okay, so we're done for the last image. Okay, so I'm just selecting randomly and then click on update. Now we have to stack these images. So to stack them together, you just have to simply press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then select all of the images, and then you just have to simply click on the stack option. That's right, so this one right here. Now that we have successfully stacked this image together, so just have to click on it and click on this arrow at the top right, and then go to the animations and effects, go to the loop, and then click on add. That's right, and then for the animations we have to select cross. Then the image will move like a carousel, so of course we have to adjust the animation. So we have here from right to left, from left to right, from top, from bottom. So here for the duration, I think I'm going to change this to 6.6 and then click on preview. So we are not done yet. The next thing that we should do is to create a copy of this one or simply duplicate this image. And for the first set of image, we are going to move it right here to our left. Okay, and then the second one is we are going to place it on the right and click on preview. Okay, so for our method number 1, we have successfully created a carousel here on Wix Studio. Now for our next method, so we are going to use another site, which is the Elfsight. So let me just move this at the top to create a space for our second method. So you just have to open a new tab and then type out Elfsight. Okay, and you'd be able to see this website. So just simply click on this one. That's right, and then right here, make sure you have logged into your account, and then just click on widgets. So this one at the top left, And then under the tools, we have the search for the logo showcase. Okay, so this one right here below the job board, okay, above the number counter. So just simply click on this one. Then here you can create this widget for free. Okay, so scroll down and then just have to select a template to start with. So we have infinite carousel, infinite monochrome carousel. So I'll be using the first one. And then after that, just scroll down and click on continue with this template. That's right. And then the next thing that you should do here is to add your logo or upload your image. And after uploading your image, your logo, you'd be able to see that right here. Okay, so right here we can adjust the size of our logo. And then right here we can add a caption and a link. So you just have to tap it right here, then paste here the link. Next one is we are going to proceed to the layout. Okay, so right here we have the carousel, the ticker, and the grid. So I'll be using the grid. Then we have here the logo size, the spacing between logos. Last one is the style, so we have here a background. Okay, so if you wish to add a background, you can do that. Now for the logo style, we can add here a logo background color. So let's go back to the logo style. So just click on this one and then select your color. After that, just click on done and then add to website for free. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then you'd be able to see this page. Next is we have to click on publish. Okay, then select free if you don't want to subscribe to a plan. Then right here, you just have to copy this code. So after copying the code, you just have to go back to your Wix. And right here, just click on the add elements option at the top left and then go to the embed and social. Here, just have to select embed code. That's right. And then here, just have to click on enter code. Here we have to select code and then delete this default text right here, then paste the code and then click on update. Then after that, you'd be able to see here now the logo carousel that you have created using Elfsight. So what you're going to do here is to adjust it to finalize your logo. Okay, so let me just adjust it to the right and to the left as well. So stretch it out and then to the right. And once you are done adding your carousel, just have to click on preview, and then if this one is good or you're satisfied with your work, just click on publish. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.